So I got this set of, it's a couple shelves with a little mesh basket underneath one of the shelves there and stuff. And here's one of the shelves. And I installed one of the shelves with the mesh basket attached underneath it in our office. And I'll show you that here in a second. But it came with two shelves and then one of the mesh baskets there. So anyway, they look really nice and has the nice, you know, rail around the shelf so that stuff doesn't fall off the wall and stuff, and came with all the hardware and everything. And I'll show you what the one is that what it looks like where I put it up in the office. So we don't have anything on it yet, but it's right here in the office up here over by the window here, and there's an outlet over there, but we're just getting up close to the ceiling. It's a very short office. It's just a little shed office and stuff, and I can touch the ceiling. It's probably 6 feet tall. It's not a super big office, but anyway, yeah, so we're gonna put some probably little trinkety knick-knacky things up there just for decor and stuff. But yeah, looks good. I like it.